welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this right here, this right here, this right here, and this right here. And I got all this stuff in the mail, so I wanted to do a review. Here is the palette that I got. It is a Dream Street palette that Kathleen Lights did with ColourPop. I personally love Kathleen. She is by far one of my favorite YouTubers ever. She just seems so sweet and so humble, and I just love everything about her. And on the back, it has all of the names of the eyeshadows, which I really like. I don't like having a separate card because then you lose it, and I just don't like that. So by the way, I have not touched or swatched any of these colors, any of the highlighters. I have not played around with the concealer or the lip gloss or anything because I really want it to be a first impressions. So here we go. It's magnetic, which I really like as well. And then these are the colors. I already did my eyebrows off camera and primed my lid with concealer, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to be taking Twinkle, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that right into my crease. Okay, next color I'm going to be taking in this palette is this shade right here, and it's called Water Bearer. And it's like kind of a brick orangey brown. It's not quite red, but it's not a brown either. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one has a tiny bit of kickback. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a lot. That was a lot of kickback. Okay, so I really don't know where I'm going with this look, but I want to use this shade right here. It is called Moony, and I'm just gonna add that right into the crease, but just on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the No Filter Concealer. This is by ColourPop as well. I've never tried this concealer, but I've heard so many good things on it. This is in the shade Fair 5, and it was at the time the fairest shade that they had, but this past week, before I got this package, they just released, I think it was like 16 new shades, and the fairest being like as white as like snow, like paper. And they have a lot of darker shades, which is really nice because a lot of companies nowadays are not adding darker shades, whether it's concealer or foundation, which I don't see why they wouldn't. It just doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna take this. I don't know if this is gonna be good for cutting my crease, but I am going to try it anyways. Okay, so this foundation dried pretty quick and it's extremely matte, which I don't mind because I have really oily skin, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks on my face. I haven't decided. I think I'm gonna take Kaleidoscope, which is this nice teal color right here, and I'm gonna add that right on to where I put my cut crease. Whoa. That is super pigmented. I'm in love. I love this color. I'm just gonna go back in with this shade right here, the Moony shade, and I'm just gonna darken up my outer corner again. Okay, so I'm really wanting to try this color right here. So I think I'm just gonna add that to my finger, and what I'm gonna do is pat that right on the middle of my eyelid. Okay guys, I know I look crazy, but I already did my lashes and my liner. I already prepped my skin. I used the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my foundation And today I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 190. You guys, last time I was using the shade 230. When I did my my color match at Sephora, one, the lighting in there sucks. Two, this color, the shade 230, looked great on my skin, but then over time, like within like 10 to 15 minutes, it oxidizes like crazy, crazy orange. And I would have my neck looking completely different than the rest of my face. And I was like, damn, you know, I went back to Sephora and I was like, yo, I need a different color. I need a different shade. So I tried this one out and this one works perfectly for my skin. Now I'm gonna be going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And like I said before, this is the shade Fair 5. I am excited to try this on my face because I've heard such good things about it, and this concealer is only $6. So drugstore price. Wow, that is extremely thick. It's not thick in a bad way. It's not like, oh my god, how am I gonna blend this out? It's very soft feeling, but full coverage. Wow, I look crazy. Okay, hopefully I can blend this out very nicely. Okay, so normally I bake my under eyes, but today I want to set it with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Another thing, when you're setting your under eye, do not swipe like that. You really want to like press the powders in like a dabbing motion. That way it actually sets your under eye. And I am just going to take this color right here. I'm also going to be taking the Estee Lauder bronzer. This is old. When I say it's old, it's old. I don't even know how long I've had that thing, but it's one of my favorite bronzers. Just really bronze up the skin. For blush, I am going to be taking the NARS Orgasm. This is just the original Orgasm blush. Not a lot, just a little bit. Taking this shade right here, which is Moony. Gonna add that right underneath with the same exact little brush that I was using. I love the teal. That was my favorite part of this whole entire palette, was Kaleidoscope. Yes, so good. Oh, you know what? I was reading these backwards. I am so sorry, you guys. This is why I can't do this kind of stuff. Mermaid Boy. I was reading it like I was showing you guys, and the color that was right behind it was what the color was. I give up. This eyeshadow palette retails for $16, you guys. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. I do wish, however, that there was like a lighter brow bone highlight shade other than this one right here, because I feel like it was almost too pink and like matte. Other than that, this palette is an absolute win for me. So this is definitely something that you need to pick up. So next I'm going to be reviewing the Luster Dust. This is the thing I was most excited for besides the eyeshadow palette, of course. And this is a powdered loose highlighter. This looks so pretty. And then it is in the shade Strobe Globe. The packaging is cute, nothing crazy, but this, you guys, is only $6, I believe. $6 for all this product. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Mario Badescu spray just to kind of freshen up the face and get it kind of damp. Yes. Okay, so it comes with this. It's like one of these little peely thingies that you just peel off. I am so excited for this, you guys. Done there, I'm just swirling it around, and I'm also going to tap it off. Oh. Whoa. Do you guys see this? Do you see this glow? Do you guys see this glow? That is a glow. That is a glow. Wow. Guys. What? $6, you guys. I cannot believe I'm about to say this, but I think I'm gonna have to wipe some of it off. This is that ultimate blinding highlight for Instagram photos. Holy crap, you guys. Thank you, ColourPop. Thank you for blessing us with these loose highlighters. Oh, my nose. Do y'all see that? Okay, so my new favorite highlighters of all time, ColourPop. You make me look like a glazed donut. You make me look like a dang glazed donut. Wow, this is gonna be so pretty for summer, you guys. Oh yeah, girl, for them Instagram pictures, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, imagine putting this in your body lotion. Yes, yes. Last but not least, the Kathleen Lights X ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. And this is in the shade Moonchild. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute, very simple. I love the rose gold lid. All right, let's see. Okay, so it is very opaque. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take my Kylie Jenner Dulce K lip liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. All right, now that that is done, I am going to go ahead and take my Moonchild lip gloss and apply that right over. I am just going to add the tiniest bit of the loose highlighter on my inner corners of my eyes. So overall, the eyeshadow palette is a 10 out of 10 for me. I really loved it. I love the colors. I just loved how pigmented the shimmers were. I just love anything that has teal in it, and she always seems to put a teal type green eyeshadow in her palettes, and I really love that. So this was a win for me. The ColourPop concealer was very full coverage. I really highly recommend it. It blended out really nicely. I guess I'll just have to see throughout the day how it wears, because I can't really say my opinion, but applying it was, I would say, a good 8 out of 10. I really like this, but like I said, I have to see how it wears throughout the day. This was a yes. This was a yes for me. I love this highlighter. I highly recommend it. I'm probably gonna go get all the other colors because I love it so much. You can use it on your shoulders, you can use it on your collarbone, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your eyes, you can use it in your hair, you can use it in the bath. No, I'm just joking, but I highly recommend this highlighter. And then for the lip gloss, it feels very comfortable. It's not a sticky lip gloss, and this was only like $4, you guys. I highly recommend it. It's the perfect nude lip gloss. Okay guys, so that completes this look and this review on ColourPop. If you guys want to see more reviews on any other brands, please let me know. If you guys want me to get any more products to review or a certain item to review, please let me know. But yeah, that completes this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.